Welcome. Today we are introducing the Building Regulation Atlas, a new open-access knowledge platform designed to make global building regulation data more accessible and actionable for policymakers, practitioners, and development partners worldwide. It is free and open access. The Atlas brings together data from 152 economies, 373 indicators, and 4 complementary datasets. The Atlas organizes 373 indicators across 3 areas. The first is spatial planning, which covers land use and zoning regulations. The second and largest area is building design regulations, spanning general provisions, structural design, fire safety, green buildings, energy efficiency, and universal accessibility. The third area is compliance mechanisms, which examines how regulations are enforced. The Atlas integrates data from 4 distinct but complementary sources. First, the Business Ready Report, covering 101 economies, assesses the regulatory framework and public services, including provisions related to building regulation. Second, the Global Facility for Disaster Reduction and Recovery, GFDRR Sub-Saharan Africa Study, covers 48 economies across the region. The global study provides a deeper assessment of 22 selected economies across critical regulatory dimensions. Third, the Building Green Global Dataset, covering 88 economies, tracks building energy codes. Using the Atlas follows a straightforward 3-step workflow. First, select a country from the drop-down menu, then click View Country Data to load the full country profile. Alternatively, users can click a country directly on the map. Both options will open the country profile, where you can review key country summary. Explore the country profile page for a quick overview of the national context. Here you can review key demographic indicators, identify major hazard exposures, and see the status of building regulations. Scroll down to review all the information available by country, and expand the thematic categories to explore individual indicators. Apply topic filters to focus on specific areas of interest. Finally, export the filtered data as CSV, Excel, analysis, or PDF for further. Simply select the format you want the file to be exported. Below the export options, open the Appendix Referenced Regulatory Documents tab to access the list of regulatory documents referenced for the country. Explore the Building Regulations Atlas in 3 simple steps. Visit the website or scan the QR code to learn more.